Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you're happy and healthy and ready for today's lesson, which is the Unit 4 TV Around the World, the second lesson, the pair work, page 49. But before we do that, let's revise what we previously took at the beginning of the unit. If you remember, we asked these questions. What kind of television program do you like to watch? Give some examples. And if you can notice that the theme of this unit is revolving around TV and shows and TV series and etc. And what we watch on TV. Also, what kind of programs do you dislike and why? So it's a matter of preference here. Which programs listed here would you watch, which wouldn't you watch, and explain. And the picture here explains the popcorn and the remote control, meaning that you are sitting and enjoying your show while eating the popcorn. The first show was named Jeopardy, if you remember, that comes at Tuesday at 9:30 p.m. It's a unique American quiz show that features trivia in history, literature, the arts, culture, science, sports, geography, wordplay, and more. What's the meaning of the word quiz show? What's the meaning of the word quiz? You know it from your school, at class, of course. Yes, it's a show that the host asks the contestants some questions. So quiz always revolves around questions, and of course they win some awards, maybe money. The show is famous for its unusual answer and question format. As I said, the question format here, which requires contestants to phrase their responses in question form, having been presented with clues, and the article goes on. The second program, named Hoy, if you remember, comes at Monday at 9 a.m. It says this morning show, so it's a morning show. The shows that comes at morning, they call it morning shows. Sometimes they name the programs at the time that it's aired or broadcasted. This morning show recorded live in front of an audience. What's the meaning here of the word live? When we say this show is live. Yes, live means that it's now happening. Live means that it's now happening. So what's the opposite of this idea? Live shows. Yes, the recorded shows is the opposite of live shows. In front of an audience is broadcasted in the United States, Central and South America, and parts of Europe. It's a team of hosts of a family-oriented, because as we mentioned, it's a family show, entertainment. On a program, the guest chef cooks up some Peruvian shrimp, and prosperous businessman gives advice to members of the audience. Remember the word prosperous, because we'll be talking about it later. We took also the National Geographic channel, which is a well-known channel that gives you documentaries about different types of documentaries featuring. It's focused on the wildlife. The National Geographic channel is a television channel that features documentaries about science and technology, animals and nature, just as I said before, exploration and culture, produced by the National Geographic Society. So it's a society. It's bigger than just a station. It's a society. It provides authentic and inspiring content for different age groups of viewers. The channel is dedicated to sharing factual knowledge and promoting genuine interest in our world in an innovative and entertaining manner. So it's sharing factual knowledge, which means information and knowledge based on facts. The next program is CSI, for those who like crime, for the police shows. CSI is short version or the acronym of Crime Scene Investigation. CSI is an American crime drama about a team of forensic scientists who investigate mysterious and unusual deaths. In tonight's episode, Grissom Stokes and Brown take on puzzling cases of jogger killed in a park. So this is the whole theme of this TV series. Some detectives, some forensic scientists try to solve crimes, try to solve puzzles, and we knew that from our previous lesson. The next show is Top Gear. Top Gear, of course, it's a well-known show revolving around cars, especially sports cars. Here it says it's aired at 9:30 p.m. on Wednesdays. Top Gear is an award-winning British television series about cars. It was originally launched as a conventional motoring magazine show. Since its launch in 2002, a new version has developed its own humorous style. That's correct. They have humorous style. While you watch the show, you get some laughs while you're watching the show. The program is estimated to have about 350 million viewers worldwide. So this is an extremely large number. The show has received acclaim for its style and presentation, as well as criticism for its content and some of the cutting comments made by presenters. It remains, however, one of the most popular motoring series worldwide. Next is Sasuke. From the name, you know that it's Japanese, of course. On Wednesday at 8 p.m. This is a popular Japanese sport entertainment program. It airs twice a year. Each is 3-hour special, covers an entire competition in which 100 fighters and athletes compete in one of the most challenging physical contests imaginable. So it airs twice a year, and it's a physical, challenging show. And we also took the language builder here. English speakers often use the term soap opera, if you have heard of this term, the soap opera, to refer to programs similar to telenovelas. One difference between the soap operas and the Latin American genre of the telenovela is that soap operas never end. This is a weird fact. Soap operas never end. The stories just evolve over the years. So they just keep coming with ideas. So the TV series never ends. Before we begin our lesson, let's take the workbook, page 113, and try to answer some of these questions and solve some of these puzzles. Unscramble these words. Unscramble these words. The first one is already done for you. So we have some words and the letters have been moved around, scrambled, and we have to figure out the correct word. The first one is already done for you. You have, you can say it Z-U-Z-L-I-G-N-P. So the correct word is puzzling, puzzling. So now you know how to answer this question. Okay, number one, A-T-B-O-R-C-S-A-D. So from the letters, can you tell which is the correct term here? It's related to television. It's like the word air, the verb air. So can you tell which word is that? Okay, let's check the answer together. Yes, it's the word broadcast. It's the word broadcast, and it's to spread the video throughout the network. And also you can find it in your chatting applications, the word broadcast. It means to spread what you have written to all of your contacts. The second one, number two, S-T-A-N-T-N-O-C-E-S-T. Again, S-T-A-N-T-N-O-C-E-S-T. So this is a little bit long. Can you figure out the correct word here? The person who goes into a quiz show and try to answer the questions. Yes, he is a contestant, or contestants as plural, or contestants as plural. Number three, R-V-S-E-I-N-O. R-V-S-E-I-N-O. Can you tell the correct word here? Yes, it's the word version. It's the word version. You know the word version. It means not the copy, but the latest. When you say the latest version, It means the latest, let's say, episode or the latest copy of this thing, the latest version. P-O-R-O-S-S-U-P-R-E. That's number 4 again. P-O-R-O-S-S-U-P-R-E. Can you tell what is this word here? Yes, prosperous. The word is prosperous, which is the synonym for thriving. If you can say prosperous or thriving, it means doing well, doing well. Number 5, D-A-R-W-A. D-A-R-W-A, which is a thing, I give you a hint for the word, the thing that you win at the end of a quiz show or a contest. Yes, you figured it out right. It's the word award. Award. It's the thing that you win at the end of a quiz show. L-O-P-T. So this is an easy one, actually. The story. Yes, it's the plot. The plot meaning the story. So moving on to the next exercise, exercise B in the workbook, right? The words from exercise A above their synonyms. So the words that we just learned in exercise A, we'll be writing them with their synonym. And if you don't know the meaning of the word synonym, what's the meaning of the word synonym? It's a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. So in the same language, when two words have the same meaning or nearly the same meaning, this is a synonym. So let's continue with our exercise. The first one is already done for you. This is a confusing mystery. Confusing, the synonym for confusing is puzzling. So confusing, puzzle. You can say this is a puzzling mystery. So let's begin with number 1. They will air the TV show tomorrow night at 8. They will air the TV show tomorrow night at 8. And air here is a verb. So from exercise A, what's the synonym for the word air? A TV show. Yes, that's correct. It's the word broadcast. Number 2, the story is about aliens that come to Earth. The story is about aliens that come to Earth. The word story here, what's the synonym for the word story from exercise A? If you remember the last word, yes, that's correct. Of course, it's plot. You can say the plot is about aliens that come to Earth. Number 3, there are only 2 competitors left. There are only 2 competitors left. So there's a quiz show and there are only 2 left competitors. So people who compete against each other, what do they call them? Yes, competitors or contestants. Excellent. I like the graphics variation of that computer game. I like the graphics variation of that computer game. So variation means something different from the original. Yes, excellent. It's the word version. The winner gets a cash prize. When you win a contest, you get a prize. So what's synonym? The word that has the same meaning as the word prize from exercise A. Yes, excellent. It's the word award. So award means prize. There are many wealthy people who work in the television industry. There are many wealthy people who work in the television industry. So wealthy is the equivalent for the word prosperous. So prosperous is the synonym for the word wealthy. Continuing here with the lesson objectives, discuss types of TV programs. So types of TV programs, what do you like? There are many TV programs, of course, the types. Is it a quiz show? Is it a movie? Is it a drama series? So we will be discussing that here. Create your own idea of a TV program. Decide on the kind of program and the title. Then write a brief description of the program. So create your own idea for a TV program. Is it a TV series? Is it a quiz show? Is it a sports competing show like Sasuke, the Japanese show? Is it a family show? Is it maybe a cooking show? So it's up to you. create your own idea for a TV program. Decide on the kind of program and the title. And if you finish deciding what kind of program is it, decide the name of the program. And remember to make it attract people to watch it, the name or the title of the program. Then write a brief description of the program. So once you write the title or the name of the program, you write a brief, not a long, a brief description of the program. Does it have contestants? Does it have a show host? What genre? If it's a movie or a TV series, what genre is it? Is it action? Is it fiction? Or something else? And etc. So you have to ask yourself these questions. What kind of a program is it? Is it a comedy? Is it a crime show? Maybe it's a sports show, etc. So you have many ideas to choose from. If it's fictional means not real life story, what will the stories be about? So fictional means you can open your imagination and write the story just as you like. You can make flying objects or whatever you like. Who are the main characters? So decide the main characters and their characteristics and their features. What time should it air? What time should it air? Should it be a morning show or a late night show or in the afternoon? So you have to decide that to choose your audience. Who will the audience be? Are they children, teenagers, adults, families, etc.? Who are you? Who is your target? Who are you targeting? Are you targeting children, teenagers, adults, families? So you have to put that in your mind while creating your show. And here's a fun fact for you. The longest running soap opera in the US was a program called Guiding Light. It began as a radio program in 1937 and then became a TV program in 1952. The last episode was broadcast in September 2009. So it ran from 1937 to 2009, and that's a very long time. Another fun fact here, in Great Britain, a radio soap called The Archers has been running 6 episodes a week since 1951 for a total over 15,000 episodes. One actor, Norman Painting, has played the role of Phil Archer since the program began. Can you watch this TV series of 15,000 episodes? It's up to you. And with that, we reach the end of this lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.